Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road. Hey, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you for all your support. Hey, let's jump into this. Just an update on what I'm working on this week with the Jeep. I got the front end kind of tore down on it, and we'll start the back end later this week, but we're jumping in and putting in a 3.5-inch Rancho lift, and we're doing all 8 control arms, all new springs, brake line. It's going to be really fun. So let me show you the kit, and I gotta get back to work. So let's take a look at the kit. And with this kit here, this is the 3.5-inch Rancho kit. I went ahead and did control arms. The kit normally doesn't come with those, but I wanted to go ahead and have matching control arms up in front and rear. But the kit does come with the necessary rear springs, front springs, adjustable track bars, and sway bar links, the miscellaneous hardware, brake lines, things of that nature. So this will be a complete kit. I can freshen up everything up underneath the Jeep, improve its off-road capability and its on-road drivability as well. Okay guys, so that's what I got going on this week. We're going to get this new lift kit outfitted on this Jeep so we can get back on the trail. The weather here in Georgia is great, and it's time to hit the trail. So I got to get this lift kit on. I got some other things I need to get done. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, leave a comment below, hit that little bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a video, and thank you.